Okay, so I've got my cube here now, but I want to show you a few other things I can do to it once I've got it. So I want to round off the edges, and I also want to shell it so it becomes a hollow shape. So I'm gonna, if I select round up here, okay, I can click on an edge and it rounds it off. And I can change, I can either grab these to extend it and sort of do it till it looks right, or I can double click here or type in up here to change the value. So if I change that 7, sort of looks quite nice there, and then I can just click around and it will round off all of my edges to, and I'll just hold down middle mouse and rotate around so I can get this edge over here, and I will do the same along here around the bottom, so I end up with a nice rounded cuboid, and then tick. Alright, everything I've done ends up on this left hand here, so if I decide later on I don't like that round, I can, I can right click on it and go to edit, the definition of the selected object, and then I can change these dimensions, and I can increase that to 10. Yeah, and it will change it. Right, so I want to leave it as 7, so I'll leave it like that and tick. Right, the other thing I can do is I can shell this shape. So I'm going to select shell up here, and I'm going to rotate it to the bottom of the shape, select that area, and now it has made that into a hollow shape, and I can change the wall thickness up here, or again over here. So I'm going to make it, so it's got a bit of thickness to it, I'm going to make it 3mm thick. Right, and if I rotate there, you can see here that's got that thickness, and if I tick, yeah, you can see now that that is a hollow shape in there. Right, so that was how to round off corners and how to shell a shape once you have extruded it.